If I lost everything today, my website, my audience, my email list, and every affiliate commission I had ever earned, and I had to start affiliate marketing from zero now, I will not do it the same way again. I will not join 20 affiliate programs. I will not publish hundreds of generic AI articles. I will not spend weeks designing a website before knowing whether anybody wanted what I was promoting. I will not post affiliate links everywhere hoping strangers will suddenly buy. Instead, I will build one simple system around one specific audience, one painful problem, and one trusted product. Because affiliate marketing is not dead, but the lazy version of affiliate marketing is becoming much harder. AI can now create average content in seconds. Search engines can answer basic questions without sending people to your website. Social media platforms can reduce your reach overnight. And people are becoming more suspicious and unrealistic income promises. So in this video, I will show you what I will do differently if I were starting affiliate marketing from zero today. Make sure you watch until the end because I will give you a simple 90-day action plan you can follow as a beginner. My name is Frank Chanda. On this channel, I help you discover realistic ways to make money online through affiliate marketing, freelancing, side hustles, remote jobs, and passive income. I also review apps, websites, and online programs honestly so that you can avoid scams, exaggerated promises, and platforms that waste your time. Before we continue, tell me in the comment, are you already doing affiliate marketing or are you still planning to start? And what is your biggest challenge right now? Choosing a niche, finding a good product, getting traffic, building an email list, or making your first sale? Leave your comment below because I read the comment and your answers help me to create better video for you. The first thing I will do differently is choose a buying problem, not just a broad niche. Most beginners are told to choose health, wealth, relationships, technology, or personal finance. But those are not really niches. They are huge industries. If you say your niche is making money online, you could be speaking to people interested in remote jobs, freelancing, blogging, online surveys, YouTube, e-commerce, or affiliate marketing. Those people may all want money, but they do not have the same problem. Instead of targeting everybody who want to make money online, I will target one specific person with one specific problem. For example, I could help beginners who want to start affiliate marketing using free traffic. This is more specific. That person has a clear problems. Maybe they do not have money for ads. Maybe they do not know which product to promote. Maybe they are afraid of scams. Maybe they do not know how to create content that sells. Now I can create a video that speak directly to them. I will ask myself 5 questions. Who exactly am I helping? What result do they want? What is stopping them from getting that result? And are they willing to spend money solving this problem? And can I create at least 50 useful videos around this topic? Remember this, a broad niche may attract viewers, but a painful problem can attract buyers. The second things I will do differently is promoting one main affiliate offer. Many beginners promote too many products. Today they promote web hosting. Tomorrow they will promote an AI tool. The next week they will promote cryptocurrency. Then they promote a survey website, a course, or another random product. The audience becomes confused, the creator becomes confused, and the platform does not understand who the content is for. If I started again, I would build a one problem business. One audience, one major problem, one main transformation, and one flagship affiliate product. For example, if I help beginners building an affiliate marketing business, my main offer could be an affiliate training and website platform. A supporting offer could be an email marketing platform. Another supporting offer could be a keyword research tool. Those products are connected. They help the same beginner move toward the same goal. Before recommending any product, I will ask, is this company legitimate? Does the product solve a real problem? Is the price reasonable for my audience? Does it have a clear refund policy? Does the affiliate program track sales properly? And will I still recommend this product if the commission were lower? The last question is very important because a higher commission does not automatically mean a good product. Your reputation is more valuable than one affiliate sale. If people stop trusting your recommendation, your affiliate business becomes very hard to grow. If you agree that trust is more important than chasing the highest commission, click the like button now. It helps YouTube to show this video to more beginners who need realistic affiliate marketing advice. The third things I will do differently is validate the idea before building too much. Many beginners start with the wrong things. They create a logo, they design a website, they choose colors and fonts, they create accounts on every social media platform. Then after 2 or 3 months, they finally begin creating content. That is backward. I will first test whether people are interested in the problem and the product. During my first 30 days, I will create around 12 focused pieces of content. Those videos will answer questions people ask before making a buying decision. For example, how much does affiliate marketing really cost? Can you start affiliate marketing without a website? Can you succeed without showing your face? Why most beginners never make their first sale? Should beginners use YouTube, blogging, TikTok, or Pinterest? And what is the best affiliate marketing platform for beginners? During those 30 days, I will study the response. Which video receive viewers? Which videos keep people watching? Which topics generate comments? Which links receive clicks? Which people join my email list? And does anybody take the first step? My first goal will not be to make thousands of dollars. My first goal will be to prove that the system can produce one real sale. When you are not making sales, do not simply say affiliate marketing does not work. Find the part that is falling. Are you getting no views? Are people watching but not clicking? Are they clicking but not joining your email list? Are they visiting the product, not buying? Affiliate marketing is a process. Your job is to find the weakest part and improve it. The 4 things I will do differently is stop sending every visitor directly to an affiliate link. Most people are not ready to buy the first time they see a product. They may need more information. They may want to compare alternatives. They may have questions about price and they may not trust you yet. So instead of sending people straight to an affiliate page, I will create a bridge. That bridge could be a free checklist, an email course, a detailed review, a buying guide, or a tutorial. I could offer a free 7-day affiliate marketing bootcamp. Then the viewer join using an email address. The first email welcomes them. Another email explains a beginner mistake. Another helps them to choose a niche. Another helps them to choose a product. Then I introduce the platform I recommend and explain who is suitable for. This works better than simply saying, click my link and buy this product. People buy when they understand the problem. They trust the person making the recommendation, believe the product can help them, and feel confident about the next step. The affiliate link is only the final connection. The education before the link creates the sale. I also have a free 7-day affiliate bootcamp for beginners who want to understand the process step by step. You can find the link in the description. The 5th thing I will do differently is building an email list from day one. Social media attention is a rendered attention. You do not control YouTube. You do not control Facebook. You do not control TikTok. You do not control Instagram. You do not control Google. A platform can change its algorithm, reduce your reach, suspend your account, who stop recommending your content. That is why I will use social media to build something I can communicate with directly. For me, that will be an email list. Every major piece of content will lead to one useful free resource connected to the problem I solve. I would rather have 500 subscribers who want the result I teach than have 10,000 people who only join for a free gift. I will not email people only when I wanted to make a sale. I will send tutorials, honest product comparisons, mistakes to avoid, personal experience, and answers to the common questions. When you help people constantly, your recommendation feel natural instead of desperate. Now let me give you the simple 90-day plan. During my first 2 weeks, choose one audience and one serious problem. Study YouTube comments, Facebook groups, forums, competitor videos, and customer reviews. Collect really questions people are asking. Then choose one main affiliate offer. During weeks 3 and 4, create one landing page, one useful free resource, one email welcome sequence, one detailed product review, and one product tutorial. Do not try to make everything perfect. Make it useful and functional. During the second month, publish 1 or 2 strong videos every week. One video can attract beginners, one can answer an objection, one can compare products, and one can demonstrate the product. Every video have one clear call to action. During the third month, study the result. Which videos got watch time? Which videos produce email subscribers? Which links received clicks? Which pages generated sales? And where were people leaving the process? Then improve the weakest part. You may need to rewrite your emails, improve your call to action, create a better review, improve your landing page, or test a different offer. So if I started affiliate marketing again now, I will not focus on having most affiliate links. I will focus on becoming the most trusted guide for one specific person trying to solve one important problem. Your first goal should not be to make $10,000. Your first goal should be to make one real affiliate sales. Then understand why the sale happened. Repeat the process, improve it. This is how a really affiliate marketing business is built. Now answer this question in the comment. What is your biggest affiliate marketing challenge right now? Choosing a niche, funding trusted programs, creating content, building an email list, or making your first sale. Leave your comment below. If you learned something useful, click the like button. Share this video with someone who wants to start affiliate marketing. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification because I publish practical video about affiliate marketing, freelancing, side hustles, remote job, passive income, and realistic way to make money online. You can also join my free 7-day affiliate marketing bootcamp using the link in the description. Thank you for watching. My name is Frank Chanda. Build trust before chasing traffic, solve really problems before promoting products, and I will see you in the next video.